Tourism is the horizontal layer which affects almost all aspects of society. It has become increasingly popular also in the Black Sea, challenging the region with environmental pressures, a high number of visits in a limited number of areas, and many other negative effects. Tourism 4.0 has been initiated by Arctur, a Slovene high-tech company which joined forces with all major universities in the country to boost development of really sustainable tourism, which respects the quality of life of local communities by use of technologies from Industry 4.0. The initiative has inspired the Tourism 4.0 for the Black Sea project, the first tourism-focused project within the European Maritime and Fisheries Fund, the legacy program of the current European Maritime, Fisheries and Aquaculture Fund, directed by the European Climate, Infrastructure and Environment Executive Agency. The project brings in partners from Georgia, Romania, Ukraine and Greece.
The project strives to enable local stakeholders across the Black Sea to increase their understanding of current digitalization trends, patterns of tourist flows, and the impact of visitors, with the aim to foster data-driven strategic and sustainable planning of tourism in the future.
The project has tested its innovative approach to assessing the impacts of tourism and the potential for big data analytics across a sample of local tourism destinations. Here are the lessons learned.
Tourism 4.0 solutions can help to deliver better insights for policymakers. Local tourism stakeholders are increasingly interested in experimenting with new data technologies and innovative models. Moving away from perception and grounding the analysis of tourism impact on robust data sources is essential for any tourism destination. Also, to respond to the urgency in the post-COVID reality, there is a need to introduce digital tools and services which can help the tourism sector recover and build a basis for advanced, sustainable tourism.
Another important lesson is the tourism impact model, or TIM, is pivotal for a proper and data-based assessment of the tourism performance.
TIM is an award-winning tool using real data to create an objective picture of the impact of tourism in a certain micro-location. TIM was tested in 6 pilot tourism destinations. We presented the results to local stakeholders at regional workshops in order to stimulate dialogue on its potential for tourism development.
Key results are: available data at the local level is often scarce, and even when available, it is not reliable enough for a good assessment of tourism performance. Poorly designed and maintained local data sources do not allow for robust assessment systems like TIM to be implemented. And there is a lack of experience and knowledge of local tourism stakeholders regarding the proper data use and management.
We also tested the advantages of using big data and data analytics for strategic and sustainable planning in tourism. We acquired data from international tourism providers, from the field, as well as from satellites.
In the data analysis, we have combined data using artificial intelligence to gain insights and observe patterns. The main focus was on identifying tourism flows and tourism behavior, as well as testing the robustness of big data sources for use in the region. Satellite data is still an unexplored source in tourism. However, it can provide new and very useful information with high accuracy. Such data, especially in combination with data from international tourism platforms, provides an entirely new view on tourism activity and sustainability of tourism in the specific locality.
The main result of our project is that local stakeholders have learned that with innovative approaches we can bring into the tourism technologies and stimulate data-driven strategic decisions and provide quick and competent solutions for Batumi municipality, especially in post-COVID era.
TIM revealed local stakeholders that Tourist 4.0 is about availability of data, digitization and open access. Technology will do the rest for delivering reliable analysis and predictions on tourist flows.
Together with Odessa Tourism Department, we applied the tourism impact model and big data analytics in the city. Even with quite patchy and rather low quality data, it was still possible to gain some useful insights about tourism in Odessa.
Our project addresses an area which is a priority for the common maritime agenda for the Black Sea. Support to sustainable development through smart technologies and digitalization is in fact a priority of the EU and its partner countries across the sea basin.
The project is a milestone in building a more resilient, sustainable, digitally empowered, and innovative tourism in the Black Sea region. It's also an opportunity for the Black Sea tourism stakeholders and countries to more tightly integrate with the European Union.
For this reason, and under the support of the Common Maritime Agenda for the Black Sea, the Tourism for Black Sea Declaration was formed. We invite all tourism stakeholders in the region to sign the declaration and commit to supporting a stronger Tourism 4.0 oriented approach across the Black Sea. Join us.